अच्छे से मिलेगा। पूरा आगे खड़ा भी कर दो, उधर देख के खड़े हो गए। ऑल ऑफ यू, टर्न दिस साइड प्लीज। यहाँ पे सामने, हाँ यहाँ पे। ये दिस कैमरा क्या सामने। एक्सक्यूज मी, तीनों यहाँ। थैंक यू।
What? So, do you guys have questions or no? You have? Okay.
Common questions.
Let's go on.
Why don't you shoot questions?
Yeah, ma'am. I have organized Miss and Mrs. Diva. So, what do you like to say about it?
Well,
Adi, sir.
you say. We are here for Sonia Mayers, and she has been putting a lot of hard work in the event. हमें काफ़ी टाइम से पता है, and we are here to support her, and then we are here to pick the best. May the best win. That's what I would say.
See, she is doing a good work in a way. She has hand-picked up talents from all over the India, and she's brought them here, and she is giving them a platform, which is a very good thing. A lot of people like us, we didn't get a platform, but it's a good thing to support someone like in this cause. So that's what I'm here for.
We know Sonia since a long time, and we always supportive to her, and we always look for new talent. So it's a right platform for new talent, and for us also to get new models and everything in the industry and new faces for the Bollywood as well. So we are here to support her and get the new talent and promote them as much as we can. And we always say all the best to her and always there for support to her.
So, you all are judging. So, what are the main factors you're going to see in the participants?
Persona, face value, ठीक है, but persona should be good.
Yeah.
Overall,
Fair
Overall
or dark
personality.
doesn't matter.
Yeah.
Overall persona should be very
Powerful.
Yeah,
the aura
exactly.
should be there. It look like a
Yeah.
star, and that the
Yeah,
model
the
should
X
look like a
factor.
model X factor.
Yeah.
Something unique, something different, which go for internationally also. Not only for India, but I think so internationally, India models should represent. It should come on an international platform. So we're looking
Correct.
something on that line.
Somebody who can probably be in fashion, commercials, television or films also. Probably a full package, we will
We
say.
have all sort of participants from all places and all different heights and body and looks and all. So probably we get one from fashion model, one will get a television actor, or one for a TVC. So I think so we get all the variety for all over for the industry, I
Yeah.
guess.
So, what you are preferring a more beauty or intelligence?
See, I guess the X factor should be there, the persona should be there. The girl or boy, they should be very confident in whatever they're doing. They should carry it off so well that it is so believable. That is what calls for being an actor or model or whatever, being successful basically.
So, what any message you like to give to participants?
Maybe do your best, be confident, whatever you're doing, and all the best to them.
Be yourself. The best version of you for the contest.
May the best one wins.
Yes.
And one more thing, ma'am, any project you like to share? You're doing
Presently, my daughter I would like to share. That's it. She's the only priority and project in my life.
Alisa?
Well, I'm working on a movie with Anand Kumar Productions. It's called Juliet, and it's a thriller. So we have done 2 schedules. I'm playing the lead in that.
Thank you.
Thank you.
अरे
and this is really great personality because helping the freshers to come on the stage and these people come and help them. It's the best work a celeb can do. So thank you for being
Thank you
here.
so much
I
for
love
having
you
me.
and
Thank
I
you
love
so much.
you're so beautiful.
God bless you.
God bless.
See you. Bye-bye.
So ma'am, what do you like to say about this mission and what they have organized?
Oh, it was amazing actually. मैं ये देख रही हूँ कि लोग मतलब इनके एज में हमें कुछ पता भी नहीं था कि कैसे करना है, कैसे अपने आप को ग्रूम करना है. तो इट्स अमेजिंग लाइक यू नो. तो आई एम वेरी थैंकफुल कि इन्होंने मुझे स्पेशली बुलाया और मैं यहाँ पे आई.
So ma'am, today आप जज करने वाले हो या क्या आपने
ये तो सस्पेंस है, वो तो आपको बाद में पता चलेगा कि मैं क्या करने वाली हूँ. तो वो मैं आपको शो के बाद बताऊँगी.
ओके, तो बेसिकली कौन सा आपका फैक्टर देखने वाले हो एक कंसेशन में आप वाई चूजिंग?
सी at least you know so many things actually, but जो बेसिक चीज़ है कि वो कहते हैं ना दिमाग सी ब्यूटी और ये सब, तो वो कितना गुड लुकिंग दिखता है, वो कितना हॉट दिखता है, वो तो ऑफकोर्स इज़ वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट. बट ऑफकोर्स कि वो टैलेंटेड भी है और ब्रेन है कि नहीं है. इज़ नॉट लाइक कि डम कोई की डम्प होना चाहिए और कोई वो डम कोई विनर कर जाए.
So which will prefer you brain or beauty?
ब्रेव.
What do you like to say to a contestant?
I'll just say all the best to everyone and God bless you. Thank you so much.
Of the evening, okay? He's being awarded as a Lifetime Achievement Award.
Yeah, you could take care. आज सर का बर्थडे भी है भाई. आदिल सर का बर्थडे भी है.
हाँ I wish. So today IFMM organized a mission and this is what do you like to say about it?
I'm very proud to be here, and Sonia has really done very hard work to be here, and I'm here all for Sonia.
So today you are judging or something?
Yeah, I'll be judging also today, and right now, and we see what's going to happen.
Factor you are on judging?
The fact I always like his personality-wise and how confident they are. I like to judge on that contest. Pardon?
Any tips you like to give to contestants?
I feel win or lose, it's all, till here you reach, that means you're the winner.
What you will prefer more, beauty or brain?
Brain, of course.
Okay, today is your birthday also, so any special planning?
I don't know now. Sonia has some surprises for me. Thank you.
Also, you are getting a lifetime achievement award.
Achievement award
So how
today.
you feeling?
I'm feeling on top of the club, top of the world.
Okay, thank you.
Yeah, thank you. I'll rush because I'm already late. Yeah.
So IFM have organized the Mr. and Miss Diva Awards. What would you like to say about it?
Well, first of all, when you hear about these Diva Awards, so who doesn't want to be a part of that? I am here just to be a part of this wonderful, wonderful event, and of course, Sonia's invited me, and I'm just going to go inside and I'm going to enjoy. I'm going to watch these freshers because it's
So today I am going to judge or just going to enjoy this concession?
I am too small to judge anybody, yaar. I'm just here to enjoy. I'm just like you people. I'm here just like you people.
If you were the judge, what do you have to prefer? The main factor you have seen in the contestant?
The main factor. अरे बाप रे बाप, इसके लिए मैं आपको आधे घंटे आप मुझे देना, मैं आपसे सोच के अच्छे से शांति में मैं आपको बताऊंगी।
तो कोई तो रहेगा एक चीज़ जो आपकी नज़र में रहेगा वो कंटेस्टेंट में ज़रूर होना चाहिए।
कंटेस्टेंट में वेल ऑनेस्टी, फेक चीज़ें बहुत ज़्यादा देखने मिलती है ना, अगर थोड़ी सी ऑनेस्टी मिल जाए तो बहुत ज़्यादा।
What about beauty?
Beauty? Beauty, everyone is beautiful.
But what do you prefer the most, beauty or fake?
सब थोड़ा थोड़ा होना चाहिए।
कल आपने
Sorry, आप ये देखिए यहाँ से। He was like, cut this. I don't want to talk about this. I want to talk about that application. Okay, application. Thank you for asking. My application is launching tomorrow. News already है, बहुत अच्छा, मैं बहुत ज़्यादा excited हूँ। सब सोच रहे होंगे कि यार ये घिसा पीटा एक और मार्केट में एक नया ऐप आ गया, you know, जैसे बहुत सारे सेलिब्रिटीज़ बना रहे हैं, बट माय फ्रेंड्स, दिस एप्लीकेशन इज़ नोवेयर नियर द कंफ्यूजिंग एंड बोरिंग एप्लीकेशन। आई थिंक मेरे हिसाब से वर्ल्ड का सबसे ईजीएस्ट ऐप है। मैं पर्सनली हर एक मीटिंग्स में और मैंने पर्सनली आई मेड श्योर कि ये फ्लॉप ना हो। आप कोई चीज़ करो, ये जो एक नया दौर निकला है, ये जो एक नया ट्रेंड निकला है एप्लीकेशंस का, सो डू इट एंड डू इट 100%. I want everyone to download that application. There are so many celebrities, they are making application, but it's just not a good result that I can see. It's a flop show. So I thought that with this application, जो आप कल देखेंगे, please आप download कीजिएगा, The Poonam Pandey app.
ये किसी खास वर्क के लिए होगा या सबके लिए होगा? वैसे पसंद तो आपको सब लोग करते हैं।
इसमें आपको सब कुछ देखने मिलेगा। ऑफ कोर्स कुछ ऐसी चीज़ें जो मैं फेसबुक पे अपलोड नहीं कर सकती, एज रिस्ट्रिक्टेड, यू कैन नो इट। सो आई थॉट इट्स एवरीथिंग एक्सक्लूसिव कंटेंट, फोटोज, वीडियोस, एंड आई एम नॉट टॉकिंग अबाउट नॉर्मल फोटोज वीडियोस, बहुत अच्छे फोटोज वीडियोस।
मैं बहुत से फैन रहते जो नेगेटिव रहते पॉजिटिव भी रहते, तो उनके साथ ऐसा रिप्लाई करते करते कभी कभी सेलिब्रिटी कंट्रोवर्सी में भी आ जाते, तो उसके लिए आप कितना प्रिपेयर हैं?
मुझे आप कुछ भी बोलिए, मुझे बिल्कुल बुरा नहीं लगता, मुझे बुरा लगना भी नहीं चाहिए, बिकॉज आपने मेरे लिए वो कीमती समय निकाला सोचने के लिए। सो थैंक यू। बस कल ऐप लॉन्च हो रहा है, तो आप डाउनलोड कीजिए और आप मुझे बोलिए।
Ma'am, one more thing. Abhay Deol recently said that celebrities should not endorse their finance cream. So what do you like to say about as a?
There is something I would say that in a way what he said is right, because I don't understand that our industry is kind of obsessed with a fair skin. Though I'm proud of my color, I get enough jobs and I'm very, very happy. But yes, our industry is kind of obsessed. They are like, this, all that.
So are you with Abhay Deol, right?
Of course, yes. Being very honest.
Thank you, and best of your application.
पीछे हो जाना भाई, प्लीज प्लीज प्लीज।